Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video I'm going to be showing you where your sunroof fuse is located on a 2015 Subaru Outback. So if your sunroof suddenly stopped working or you don't know why it's not working, a good place to start would be to look for the fuse and see if that needs replacement. Okay, so first of all you want to go down to your driver's side, whether your drive is on the left or the right. It'll be a very similar process. Just up underneath here, okay, there is a little socket or a little pocket you can pull out, just like that. Just pop that out, guys, okay, and you can see that this arrow right there, this arrow shows that it's up, so that means it goes up. All right, so you'll see here that you have a sunroof fuse. Let that focus. My camera's not focusing, hang on. Okay, so over here is your sunroof fuse right there. It's a 20 amp sunroof fuse, guys, okay, and if you go and you have a look around on here, then you will see that right there, that is your sunroof fuse. Okay guys, try replacing that and see if that fixes the problem. If that doesn't fix the problem, then you potentially might have a bad sunroof motor, but this is where to start. Okay, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in another video. All right, peace out.